How to use the pressure washer? How do I assemble the Airwash Go before first use? So insert the fully charged battery into the battery slot of the main unit until it locks securely. Connect the water inlet hose to the washer using the quick connector. Ensure the water inlet filter is attached properly. Place the other end of the inlet hose in the bucket or container filled with clean water. Attach the spray nozzle connector firmly to the washer outlet. If foam cleaning is required, attach the foam bottle instead of standard nozzle. Can I connect the pressure washer directly to a tap? No. Airwash Go is designed to work with a bucket-fed water source only and should not be connected directly to a tap water line. Ensure the inlet hose is fully submerged in the water source. Press the spray trigger to start the water flow. Why does the pressure washer take a few seconds to spray water during first use? During first use, air tapped inside the inlet hose needs to be expelled. Water spraying may start after 20 to 30 seconds once the system is fully primed. How do I use foam spray mode? First, fill the foam bottle with suitable cleaning solution. Attach the foam bottle to the washer outlet and spray evenly on the surface before rinsing with clean water. How should I hold the washer while cleaning? So hold the washer firmly with a stable grip and maintain a safe distance from the surface. Use the short and controlled spray burst for effective cleaning. Avoid prolonged spraying on one spot to prevent damage. What surface can I clean using Airwash Go? The washer is suitable for cars, bikes and scooters, balconies and terraces, windows and glass surfaces, garden tools and outdoor items, trash bins and household equipments. How do I turn off the washer after use? So first, release the spray trigger, remove the battery before storing the washer.